Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Venkat. As you all know, I am pursuing my engineering at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today, let's discuss the topic batteries. The course code is BCHES202 and the course title is Applied Chemistry for CSE stream. Now let's dive into the topic batteries. The agenda of today's topic is what are batteries? Let's know about the components and their classification. First, let's know what are batteries. A device which enables the energy liberated in a chemical reaction to be converted directly into electricity. A battery is a portable energy source with three basic components which are anode, cathode, and an electrolyte. A battery is a device that consists of two or more galvanic cells connected in series or parallel or which converts chemical energy into electrical energy through redox reactions. Example of batteries we have lead acid battery, nickel cadmium battery, etc. The size of a present batteries range from a fraction of cubic centimeter to several cubic decimeters. Batteries are used in calculators, digital watches, telephones, tape records, etc. Now let's know what are the components of battery. A battery which is made up of anode, cathode and surrounded by the electrolytes. The anode and cathode are separated by a separator. The outer surface of the battery is covered by a plastic layer, and in modern batteries the ventilator are also provided to escape the accumulated gases during the process. And the main components are anode, cathode and electrolyte. As you can see in the figure, the anode and cathode are separated by an electrolyte is separated by an electrolyte, and the battery is covered by a plastic layer. Now let's know the topic one by one, the components one by one. First comes the anode. In batteries, anode is negatively charged. It releases electrons into the external circuit by undergoing oxidation reaction. In rechargeable batteries, it acts as positive terminal cathode during charging. It gives electrons to the external circuit. The reaction is M gives rise to Mn plus at aqueous plus N electrons. Example, zinc, lithium, nickel, cadmium and lead are extensively used as anodes, and these lithium tops the list because it readily gives off electrons. Reduction potential is highest. As it says, anode is a negative electrode. But in rechargeable battery, it acts as a positive terminal where it undergoes oxidation reaction. Now let's come to cathode. In a battery, cathode is positive electrode. It accepts electrons from the external circuit. Thereby, reduction of active species occur in rechargeable batteries. It acts as negative terminal anode during charging. Graphite rod, zinc, lead, nickel, cadmium are used as cathodes. Sometimes both anode and cathode are made up of same material like lead, as in the case of lead acid battery. Is this statement states that cathode is cathode is a negative electrode which undergoes reduction, but in rechargeable batteries it acts as a positive, that is anode, during charging. And it also says that sometimes both anode and cathode can be made up of same material like lead, like in case of lead acid battery. Now let's come to electrolyte. It provides the medium for transfer of ions inside the cell between the anode and cathode. A solution of an acid, alkali or salt having high ionic conductivity is commonly used as an electrolyte. Electrolyte is nothing but it's the medium through which the transfer of ions inside the cell takes place. Separator. It is used to separate anode and cathode compartments in a battery to prevent internal short circuiting. The main function of a separator is to transport ions from anode to cathode and vice versa. It is highly resistant towards electrolyte. Example: cellulose, vinyl polymer, membranes, etc. In addition, cathode and anode current collectors, terminals, seal and containers make a battery complete. Now let's go through classification of batteries. Classification of batteries consists of three types: primary batteries, which are also known as non-rechargeable batteries, and secondary batteries are rechargeable batteries, and reserve batteries. First, let's understand what are primary batteries. Primary batteries. They are non-rechargeable batteries that generate electrical energy through an irreversible chemical reaction. One, Once the chemicals inside are exhausted, the battery cannot be recharged or reused. Here are some examples of primary batteries like alkaline batteries, lithium batteries, and zinc carbon batteries. Zinc carbon batteries, they are inexpensive and commonly used in low drain devices like remote controls, flashlights, and clocks. Now let's go through secondary batteries. Secondary batteries, which are also known as rechargeable batteries, are the batteries that can be recharged and reused multiple times by applying an external electrical current to reverse the chemical reaction that occur during discharge. Here are some examples of secondary batteries: lead acid batteries, lithium ion batteries, and nickel cadmium batteries. In secondary batteries, the anode the anode is positive and the cathode is negative during the charging. Reserve batteries. Reserve batteries, which are also known as reserve cells, are the type of small non-rechargeable batteries which are designed for long-term low-power appliances and are often used backup power sources or in devices that need to maintain a standby state. For examples, button cell batteries and coin cell batteries. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.